I'm Aiza Ali and you are watching Sayeban News HD. As per ISPR report, General Syed Asim Munir, Chief of Army Staff, presided over 264th Corps Commander Conference held at GHQ. Forum paid a rich tribute to the supreme sacrifices of Shohadas, including officers and men of the armed forces, law enforcement agencies and the citizens who have laid their lives for peace and stability in the country. Chief of Army Staff appreciated the untiring efforts of Pakistan Army and allies in successfully thwarting several terrorist attacks and neutralizing key terrorist commanders during ongoing counter-terrorism operations. Chief of Army Staff directed commanders to proactively deny any space to the terrorists. Chief of Army Staff, Armed Forces and allies of Pakistan, fully backed by the resilient nation, remained determined to permanently eliminate this menace from Pakistan, inshallah. The forum condemned heartless terrorist attack against Chinese nationals in Bisham, as well as heinous killings of innocent civilians in Balochistan. Forum was briefed on how terrorist groups operating from Afghanistan pose a threat to regional and global security. Besides acting as proxies against Pakistan and its economic interests, especially China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, Forum expressed serious concerns over the ongoing Indian aggression in illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Forum reiterated that Pakistan will continue to provide political, diplomatic and moral support to our Kashmiri brothers and sisters. The forum expressed solidarity with the people of Palestine and condemned serious human rights violations, war crimes and genocide being perpetrated in Gaza. The forum also expressed concern over the escalating tensions in the Middle East and noted that a wider regional conflict could ensue if both sides did not de-escalate immediately. Forum noted with concern that malicious propaganda campaign meant to demoralize the armed forces and underscored that unfounded and baseless allegations on law enforcement agencies and security forces have become a fashion and are part of the larger design to drive a wedge between the people and the armed forces of Pakistan. We will not allow such efforts to succeed, and as per the law and constitution, stern action will be ensured. Forum resolved to provide full support to the government towards achieving sustainable socio-economic growth in the country, including wholehearted assistance in countering the illegal spectrum, particularly smuggling, hoarding, electricity theft, and safe repatriation of all illegal foreigners. The Chief of Army Staff directed field commanders to ensure the highest standards of operational preparedness and motivation within their outfits and to pursue professional excellence through objective training.